Did you know your body can absorb up to 500 mils of pool water for every 1 hour of swimming? Your skin is your body's largest organ, and it's important to take good care of it. We already know about slip, slop, slap when we get in the water, but there are other ways we can make healthy choices for our skin and our body, and this includes pool mineralization. You may have already heard about magnesium pools or the benefits of magnesium for the body. Mineral pool systems contain magnesium, as well as a range of other minerals that enhance your overall swimming experience. Mineral pools are great for the entire body, as well as your skin, your hair, and your nervous system. Pool minerals have a range of health benefits, including improved circulation, alleviation of pain, and stress relief. Pool mineralization also softens the water for a silky smooth swimming experience. Mineral pools ease skin and eye irritation, which is particularly beneficial to anyone who suffers from sensitive skin or skin conditions like eczema. And a mineralized pool doesn't have that sticky feeling you get on your skin when you swim in a chlorinated or saltwater pool. So what's the difference between a mineral pool and a saltwater pool? Well, saltwater pools draw upon dissolved salt in the water to generate the chlorine. So contrary to what you might think, a saltwater pool is not actually chlorine-free. Generally speaking, a mineral pool is one that contains a variety of naturally occurring minerals. You may have heard of mineral pools referred to as magnesium pools. That's because they contain magnesium chloride, as well as sodium chloride, salt, potassium chloride, and borates. Mineral pools also contain a sanitizer to keep anything nasty at bay, and mineral pools also contain water balancing chemicals. Quality of product is important. That's why at Poolwerx we partner with reputable brands that have products such as Magnapool, Mineral Swim, and Aquatherape, so you know you're getting the best quality minerals for your pool. If you're interested in pool mineralization, you'll be pleased to know that it's quite straightforward to convert any existing pool into a mineral pool. This is without having to change any of your existing pool equipment. You'll need the help of a certified pool technician to get you on your way. Here at Poolwerx, we'll be happy to help you out. With all the amazing benefits of pool mineralization, why wouldn't you want to bring a little bit of resort-style luxury into your own backyard? Contact your local Poolwerx store and find out what options are best for you.